Once upon a time, there lived a man in a quiet village. He had only one son, and he loved him very much. But the man was always worried about his son because the boy was lazy and careless. He did not like work and spent most of his time wandering around the village, chatting with people, and wasting his days.
One evening, the man decided it was time to teach his son an important lesson about life. He called his son and said kindly, "Son, there is a watch inside the cupboard. Please bring it to me." The boy went inside, opened the cupboard, took out the watch, and gave it to his father. The father looked at the watch and said, "Now go to the market and ask people how much this watch is worth."
The boy nodded and went to the market. He showed the watch to many people. One man said, "It is worth 500 rupees. Another said, "No, it's worth at least 1,000 rupees. Someone else said, "I'll give you 800 rupees.
Everyone gave a different price. The boy returned home and said, "Father, people gave different prices. Some said 500, some 800, and some 1,000. The father smiled and said calmly, "Good. Now put the watch back." The next day, the father again called his son. "Bring me the watch," he said. When the boy brought it, the father said, "Go to the market again, but this time don't ask the price of the watch. Ask people the price of the time inside the watch." The boy was confused, but he obeyed. In the market, when he asked people this strange question, some laughed, some mocked him, and some said, "What a silly question!" The boy felt embarrassed and sad. Finally, he stopped at a small repair shop. An old watchmaker was fixing watches. When the boy asked him the same question, the old man smiled gently. The old man continued, "Time is very strange. It keeps moving, but it gives everyone the same 24 hours. Rich or poor, everyone gets equal time. The difference is how wisely it is used." The boy felt his heart change. He understood his mistake. He hurried home and told his father everything. The father smiled proudly and said, "My son, this is the lesson I wanted you to learn." From that day on, the boy changed completely. He started working hard and stopped wasting time. He understood that time is free but priceless.